If you love curvy models, empowering journeys, and confidence-driven storytelling, hit subscribe and join the CurveNova 2 community. New model bios and inspiring stories drop every week. This is CurveNova 2, where confidence meets curves. Welcome to CurveNova 2. Today we explore the journey of Shirley Marcel, a curvy model whose elegance, expressive style, and natural charm have helped her rise in the world of modern digital fashion. Known for her warm personality and striking presence, Shirley has become a recognizable figure in modeling and online influence. Shirley began her path in modeling more than a decade ago, stepping into an industry that was still learning to celebrate diverse body types. Through consistent effort, discipline, and strong creative instincts, she built a career marked by magazine features, runway shows, and brand collaborations that highlight contemporary beauty and inclusivity. Her signature dimples, soft features, and balanced proportions make her instantly memorable to audiences and photographers alike. Standing 59 and weighing about 69 kg, Shirley carries a naturally poised silhouette with body measurements of 30-24-30. Her look reflects confidence and refined femininity, which she expresses through her evolving fashion sense and lifestyle content. Beyond modeling, Shirley has become known for her humor, authenticity, and strong advocacy for self-love. She uses her digital presence to connect with followers, share personal experiences, and promote body positivity. Whether she is showcasing high-fashion outfits or sharing day-to-day moments, she brings a relatable spirit that resonates across her community. Shirley continues to expand her influence as both a model and creator, inspiring women around the world to embrace their natural beauty and remain confident in who they are. Thank you for watching CurveNova 2, where confidence meets curves.